Hi everyone, it's great to see you. I'm going to do a quick unboxing today. I wasn't planning on ordering any more Japanese maples, but you can tell this is a box from Mr. Maple. Not a sponsor of the video, but someone that I'd love to order trees, Japanese maples, conifers from. Now, last year I ordered a couple of coral bark Japanese maple, and the great thing about this type of Japanese maple is that they really provide you winter interest. The bark turns a bright color in the winter. Usually red. There are some that turn yellow or orange bark colors, and they really just pop in the landscape. So I've had my eyes on Sango, which is probably the best known coral bark, and I am still hoping to be able to put a couple of those in the yard. However, they get to be pretty big, and you know that I have a small yard. This particular coral bark is a dwarf coral bark that's going to stay about 6 feet tall in 15 years, 4 feet wide, and it gets that beautiful red color bark, and it's called Little Sango. So here he is. Isn't this cute little Sango? So we're just starting to see some of the bark turn, not much though. This is going to be a chartreuse green, and then come fall, it turns a bright yellow-orange leaf color. Those leaves fall off, and then the bark is going to turn bright, bright red. Now, this is a really nice cultivar because it stays very dense. So you're going to see a lot of these little twigs in there, all turning bright red through the winter. And I just love that. Now, this particular cultivar is not as winter hardy, so it's hardy down to zone 6. 6 to 9 is its range where it's most happy. So we're a zone 7A. I think I'm going to have to put this one in the ground so that the roots are really protected. Remember, if you're leaving them in a pot, it really needs to be hardy 2 zones below where you live. So if we're ranked 7, it really should be hardy zone 5 to make sure that it can be okay through the winter in a planter. So I'm going to put this in the ground. That will give it some extra protection, and I think we'll be okay. It'll be so nice just to be able to look out and see some of that color too. That's really what I am looking for. So it gets to be about that 6 feet. It's going to be really, really beautiful, really, really dense here. And the chartreuse green color, which you can tell is starting to turn a little yellow, the chartreuse green in the summertime really brightens up an area too. So I will be planting this one outside. Thanks again, Mr. Maple, for such a great looking plant. And thank all of you for joining me, and I'll see you in the next video. How's it taste? Interesting. Mm-hmm. Oh, little leafy greens today. Is that what you're thinking?